Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and simple. Today we are diving into something really interesting. Infinitives. What are they? How do they work? And why are they so important? Let's find out. An infinitive is the base form of a verb. Most of the time it's preceded by the word to. Think of examples like to read, to play, or to learn. It's like a verb that hasn't been tied to a specific subject or tense yet. Cool, right? But there's a twist. Infinitives can act as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs in a sentence. Let me explain with some examples. Infinitives are of two types. Full infinitive. This is when to is used, like in to dance. Bare infinitive. No to hear, like in help me do this. We use these after certain verbs like make, let, or help. I want to travel. Let her go. Let's see how infinitives can make different roles in a sentence. Infinitives as parts of a sentence. As a subject, to sing is her dream. Here to sing is the subject. As object, she loves to cook. Here to cook is the object of the verb loves. As adjectives, he has a lot of work to do. Here to do describes work. As adverbs, she runs daily to stay healthy. Here to stay healthy explains why she runs. Real life uses of infinitives. Infinitives are everywhere. You use them while expressing goals, desires, or instructions. For example, I want to succeed. He needs to finish his homework. Follow these steps to bake a cake. Practice makes perfect. Let's practice. I'll give you some sentences and you tell me the infinitive. She plans to travel this summer. I like to read before bed. Got it? Great job. Keep practicing and soon you'll be an infinitive expert. That's all for today. Infinitives might seem small, but they play a huge role in English grammar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more and easy grammar lessons. And tell us in the comments what's your favorite infinitive to use. Until next time, keep learning and growing. Bye.